If you're looking for ways to get rid of your expensive cable TV subscription, or you just want to have some backup solution in case of an emergency where cable TV easily could drop out, and then you still want to have some TV news and see what's going on. We had this already during a hurricane. Then this HD TV antenna, which I have here, could be a really great solution. Was super easy to install in just 2 minutes. Here you can see that here in the back. It's sitting here on this lampshade because it has a magnetic base. You can just put it here and it's super easy to assemble and to add in just 2 minutes. So I have everything here. You can see here's the nice base, has quite some weight, is also magnetic, so you can put it wherever you have some metal. Then we can just screw in the top and then connect the coax plug to the coax port. Here I'm using an extension because it's easier to show you here in the front instead of directly in the back of the TV. But that's exactly the same port which you have in the back of your TV. If you have a TV with a European port, you get also the US to European adapter, and then we have to connect it to USB power. Most TVs these days have already some USB ports in the back, or you can use a wall plug, or of course, as a last resort option, you can also use a power bank. And so you can see it's powered on now. And we have 2 settings and a switch. If you're close to a city and probably very close to HDTV antennas, then you can use this setting. If you're rather far away from HDTV transmitters, then highly recommended to use the long range with the boost. And then you put the antenna where you have some good reception, but thanks to the very long cable, you can even put it close to a window or just like here on top of a light where I think I have some really good reception. And then let a scan run, and then you can easily get a couple of pages of HD TV. Here we have 2 full pages. You can see them here even with some schedule, nice description, everything. Second page here and everything in absolute awesome quality. Can be up to 4K depending on the reception. Making this quickly a little bit larger, so you can see that here. It's absolutely amazing how nice this can work with 0 extra cost after that. No subscription needed, super easy install, no maintenance, no nothing, no apps. Just plug and play and then do a scan and then enjoy free TV for many years. I think a really good solution what we have here. Maybe not the most powerful antenna. With this one here I got around 25 channels. With other ones I got 50 channels, but with some really budget models I got absolutely 0. So it's somewhere in between, and I think for the price it's still very nice. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video. You can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this HDTV antenna, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.